Okay, so we have the next question from the unsolved numerical, which is question number 8. This question says that a car moving on a straight path covers a distance of 1 kilometer in the east direction and it takes 100 seconds. What is the speed and the velocity of the car? Okay, so as we know that we're going to draw the diagram first, the rough diagram. Okay, so we have made a rough diagram. Okay, so imagine, as the question says, it covers 1 kilometers. Okay, so if we take the initial point as A and the final point as B in this direction. Okay, so if it starts from A and it moves around 100,000 meters, which is 1 kilometers, and reach B. Okay, so I can say that AB is equal to what? AB is equals to 1 kilometers. Okay, which is 1000 meters, and the time is given as 100 seconds to cover this distance in this direction. Okay, so the first question they have asked for is speed. So speed is equals to distance upon time. What is the distance? We have 1000 meters. What is the time? We have 100 seconds. So we got 10 meters per second. That is the speed. Okay. Similarly, for the second part, when we talk about displacement, because we have velocity here. So displacement from A to B. Again it will be what? 1 kilometers, because we are moving in the same direction towards east. Okay, so it will be 1000 meters. Okay, again the time will be what? 100 seconds. So if as they have asked to find out the velocity, so the velocity will be equals to displacement upon time, which is equals to 1000 divided by 100, which comes around 10 meters per second. So we got the same answer. So no, what is the change here is this 10 meters per second is towards east. Okay, so we have to write, because displacement is a vector quantity, so it has some direction, whereas in speed we don't need to talk about the direction, but in displacement, yes, we have to talk about the direction. Okay, so it is towards the east, and we got the answer. Thank you so much. Bye bye.